Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest update for the Messenger app on PC, where we'll show you how to easily start a group video call. Whether you're catching up with friends or collaborating with your team, this feature makes it simpler than ever. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's head over to the Messenger app. If you haven't done so already, open the app on your PC. Once you're logged in, the familiar interface will greet you, making it easy to navigate to your contacts and conversations. Next, it's time to find the group you want to call. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of your conversations. Browse through this list, or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the group chat you wish to connect with. This feature is super handy, especially with larger groups where scrolling can become cumbersome. Once you've found your group, go ahead and open the conversation. You'll see all the messages exchanged, and even the option to send new texts or files. This is a great place to get everyone excited and remind them about the upcoming video call. Now comes the exciting part, initiating the call. Look at the top of the conversation screen. You'll spot a video icon. A simple click on that video icon will start your group video call. It's as easy as that. The app will initialize the call, and soon enough, everyone in the group will receive a notification to join. Ensure your camera and microphone settings are configured so you're ready to engage.